Hi, my name is Jem Wardar. I'm a data scientist and founder of locationanalyzer.com. So, in this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our free location analyzer tool. So, our free location analyzer tool can be used for comparing two possible business locations in terms of population, age, and income of like people living around those areas. So it's a very simple tool to use. Like what you need to do is you need to like put in two addresses. So I'm going to put in like two Tempe addresses for as an example. 85 two eight three, and I'm going to put like West Rio Salad. One, and then you can select the range that you are interested like around those areas. Like it could be like in like 1 miles, 2 miles, 3 miles. For this example, I'm going to pick five. So what this tool now is going to do is when you say analyze addresses, it's going to collect all the demographic information that we need for our analysis from our databases, and it's going to like give you a like a list of the like the alternatives that we have in our case. So alternative one is the like the south Tempe, south east Tempe location, and then the alternative two is like a little bit like northwest Tempe location. So what we get is basically three maps that's showing the population, income, and the age distribution around those areas, and we use these heat maps like to basically give a visual sense of like what's the population living around in these like what we call census block groups, these areas. And the greener the area in the like the population map, it's more people are living there. So this like green area is like 3,500 people, and then if you go like to a reddish area, like there is like less people living in there. And then just by looking at it like from here, like you can tell that okay, like there is the airport here like where nobody is living there. And you can see that like there is probably like more people living like around like our alternative one than our alternative two, right? So similar thing for the income. So what we like do is like the greener areas here denotes like higher income, and then the red areas like denotes lower income. And then you can see that the alternative two has lower income bracket people, people living around there, and then like a little bit like mid to high level income people living around like alternative one. And then same thing with the age, like here like we denoted like higher ages with like green, and then lower ages like uh, with reddish areas here. So what we have here is like it's showing that okay, we have like a much younger population living around like our alternative two than our alternative one, right? So this is like right off the bat like can give you an idea about like which location is like more suitable for your business, right? So if you are a, I don't know, a laundromat targeting like younger or like a little bit like lower income customers, then location two might be looking better. But if you are like looking for like high income people, like or like a little bit of a above average restaurant or like that sort of a thing, like then alternative one would be better. And then we provide like some tables, tabular data here that shows the like the total population around these areas. Population, income, and age. And then the way that like this works is we have a zero point 0.5 mile radius range for this row, and around zero point 0.5 miles like from like population around one, there is like 3,680 people live. And then with like population around like zero point 0.5 miles, like it's uh, zero for our alternative two. And then as you can see, even like for like I don't know, 4 mile, 3 mile, there is like more people living in um, our like alternative one, right? And a similar thing for the like the average income. So with a like a 2 mile radius range, like the average income is like 81K for average household income for like 81K for alternative one, and then 50K for alternative two. And then same thing with the ages, like so in a 2 mile radius there is the people who are like average age is like 40 versus 27 in alternative two, right? So even though like from like raw population sense, like alternative one seems to be better than alternative two, like I said, like if you are targeting a business that's like its customer base is a little bit like maybe younger, uh, and maybe like you're like it's like a business that's targeting like lower income people and younger people, then alternative two might be better. Hope like this tool helps you in your like quest to start a business. Like I gave like Arizona addresses here, but it works for like any two addresses within any state right now. So we have like census data in our databases for like for the whole US. And let us know if you have any questions about this tool. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much.